Gold and silver throughout the day has been trading in a no trade zone, as we discussed earlier in the day with the Europe session update, that 2087.91 is the zone it is going to get maximum resistance, and on the downside 2078.80 precisely it has stayed within the same zone. Likewise, silver beautifully respecting $23 levels, 23.20. These are the no trade zone. Now, what to expect with the US session from gold and silver? How to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the twice a day updates. Do like, share, and comment as well. Let's start. First gold, followed with silver. Watch till. If you have not joined the channel membership, join the channel memberships and support the effort. Now, first look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, clearly gold is still trading bullish as of now, but I will say it is still sideways. It is waiting. See, earlier in the day I have mentioned it will wait for the moving averages to climb up. Now the 20 period moving average is sitting at around 2078 zone. Very good support is seen there, and it is still trading sideways, consolidating before it gives a breakout right now. Yes. And if you look at the moving averages, these are trading with divergence and bullishness. Stochastic has come to bottom. MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness looking downwards. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 2 hour, if you look at 2 hour charts, the drop there, the retracement, and again higher low. So yes, it is trying to squeeze it. The interesting thing is the higher lows which it is suggesting as of now. I will wait for it to give a breakout, because this breakout is going to be a stronger one. And right now, if you look at the 20 period moving average on the 2 hour charts, is at 2070, which is the next support, 2070, 2068 zone, and then 2062.5. The stochastic is looking downwards here. MACD has converged here enough. It has not yet crossed over. A crossover here can only lead to bullishness. Now, if you look at the MACD, rise, retracement, rise. So almost the movement is done, and now possibly it could try to come back to the neutral zone. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, just waiting for it to cross over. Coming to 3 hour chart, likewise on the 3 hour chart, see, first of all, it has shown a reversal, it has shown a rise as well, but again erased all of the gains. However, very important to note that it is yet to break below the lows here. So this breakout is what I will wait for you to sell gold, else it is still not on a sell zone. But yes, too much of divergence of the price from the moving averages is an opportunity that it can try to retrace. However, it is just waiting for the moving averages to climb up a little, such that it can just retest it. Stochastic has dropped as well. MACD is in green, trying to converge here. It has not yet crossed over. RSI is still staying overbought. Coming to 4 hour, similar is the observation on the 4 hour chart. It has nullified all the gains here, and again come to take the support. So it is still trading within the zone. Very clear. Here also moving averages are trading with divergence, sitting at around 2060-65, which was the resistance zone earlier. I have shared this. I will tell you in daily charts why it is a good support. Stochastic coming out of the overbought zone. MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI overbought. Coming to now, look at daily charts. See, first of all, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, and then this was the major retracement, after which it is now giving a breakout. Now let me show you why 2060-65. Earlier I have told that once it stays beyond 2060-65, I will look forward to 21-21-20 levels. Right now it is on the path to achieve the targets. Look at the moving averages. These are trading with divergence and bullishness, but look at the divergence of the price from the moving average. So now onwards, moving averages, or rather I will say the prices, are going to trade with slight bearish bias, not a stronger bearish movement, maybe couple of red candles. It will wait for the moving averages to climb up and then rally. Now what it has done today, you can look at, it has formed a double top. Double top is a sign that the prices are not willing to rise further, and it can in fact try to either trade in range or try to trade side bearish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is also trading with good divergence and bullishness right now. It may try to converge from here. RSI back to overbought. Consider only buying entry today is if you see it is staying above 2087.91 zone, which is going to be a great resistance zone. If you see gold staying above 2091, stay bullish. We are going to look forward to 2098, 2104 zone with the next targets, and beyond that 2120 is the next target in this week itself. If it stays above 2091, certainly the bullish momentum is going to prevail. On the downside, a selling entry today is at 2080, 2078 zone, below which you can sell for 2072.5 first target, and then 2068 next. Below that we may look into 2062.5, 2065 as the next support levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my mentorship batch. 29th batch starts today. 30th batch is going to commence in month of April. You can register now, you can book your slots now, and those who want to be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. You can write an email or you can ping me on Telegram for details of the same, whether be it the mentorship batch or the signals channel. And though some of you have asked me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, available across the globe, which easy withdrawals and transfers, and which offers a swap-free account with lowest spreads, you can join the recommended broker. Link is shared in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at silver. Now look at silver here. Prices retraced towards 20 period moving average, then lower highs and again trying to look downwards, trying to retrace 20 period moving average, possibly. But look at the hourly charts here. First of all, the resistance on the upside is very strong. 2320 is the level it needs to break in order to confirm a reversal. Very clear. And also, if you look at this zone here, you will find almost this was the double top. So now 2320 and 2330, this is the zone you should focus on. Any move beyond this, silver will head towards 2350-60, and if it breaks beyond 2350-60, we are looking forward to 24 $20. Now look at the moving averages. These are trading with divergence and bullishness looking upwards. Stochastic has started to look downwards. It is trading with divergence. It is staying bearish. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2-hour charts, look at 2-hour charts. Moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness, and it is just trying to trade in range, trying to trade sideways, waiting for the moving averages to climb up a little such that it can just retest it and bounce back. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD here trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. A crossover here is what we should look at, but yes, it has scope for it to rise further. RSI very near to overbought levels. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3-hour charts, moving averages have crossed over here, trading with divergence and bullishness looking upwards. Look at the 3-hour charts here. You will find the candles. See, first of all, on the upside, the resistance is pretty strong. It needs to break beyond 2320, 2330 zone in order to confirm the bullishness. After the retracement, it is looking upwards as of now, trying to bounce back a little. But again, the resistance zone is what you should watch out for. The double top levels is what you should watch out for. Beyond that, it should be treated as bullish. Stochastic rising, MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 4-hour, likewise on the 4-hour charts, staying in the zone, not willing to retrace. And yes, moving averages are trying to climb up. That is also good sign. 50 and 100 period crossing over here again is a good sign for the bulls. Stochastic just coming out of the overbought zone. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is flat. Coming to on the daily charts, one interesting thing I have showed several times in my previous analysis as well, and I have told you that after forming this, it is forming higher lows and we are looking forward to a rise. So higher highs means it is going to break past 24-50 zone. Right now it is trying to stay within the zone, trying to consolidate a bit before it gives a breakout. Thus for the day, 24-20, 23-20, 23-30 is going to be the critical zone, beyond which 23-50-60, and beyond that we are looking forward to a massive rise in silver. Yes, if you look at just this, it is going to give a breakout right now. Stochastic overbought, MACD is also divergent and bullish, RSI is flat. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 2320 and expect it to rise a little. 2320, 2330 is definitely going to be the resistance. Beyond 2330 is where the bulls are waiting for silver, where we will look forward to 2350-60 zone as the first targets. And after that, certainly more bullish momentum may prevail. Next is on the downside, where to sell. Precisely, I have recommended 2295 as the selling entry and we will stick to it. You can sell at 2295, and remember one more thing. 2280, 2270 is the zone it needs to break. Below 2280 and 70 is where the bears will be seen, and then we will look forward to 2250, 2240 zone. Now remember, one more point to note is, as long as 2240 is respected, do not treat silver as bearish for the week. It has the potential to bounce back strongly. So you should note this level, and as long as 2240 is there, you should put just 10 cents trailing stop loss. Now this certainly gives you a sense of bullishness in silver, and thus any drop or a dip towards 2240 should be a good opportunity for us to buy. But yes, I do see that it may try to trade sideways before giving a breakout for now. So take your